everyone, welcome to Traders United Zone channel. This is our first video in the stock market introductory series of Indian Stock Market 101. Here we will be discussing everything from what is a stock market for the beginners level and move up to advanced level, where we will discuss fundamental and technical analysis methods. While covering all of the important things a new person entering stock market need to know in a simple and easy to understand method. So in this video we will be talking about me, who will be handling your classes as your mentor. Then we will talk about, as a group, what is our aim, what is our goals, and what we offer everyone. Also a brief introduction to stock market. Hi again, my name is Albin, mentor and founder of Traders United Zone. I did my graduation in visual effects, have no background of finance at all. I went through all kind of agony that any fresh graduates go through. There were moments when I wanted to give up. And stock market have given me clear goals and a new life path. And I know what it is like to learn about stock market as a beginner. It is really hard to find relevant materials, if you don't know where to and what to look for. That is where I wanted to help others, to understand that pipeline of learning. And share what I learned through my extensive research, through numerous documents, classes and webinars, also results of real-time market study. Now let's take a look at our long-term goals, what we as a group intend to achieve and establish. First, an important goal is to educate without any charges attached to it. Yes, our main goal is to make the knowledge accessible by all, make it simple and on the point, and allow the public to learn and share the knowledge with others. By that method, give students, working professionals and elderly a way to earn or do proper financial management and plan for the future. And our second important goal is educate and through that grow a like-minded community, who are all about sharing and helping out each other, who strive together to grow as a community. The services we offer to public right now includes educative content. In all our social media pages we try to post educative information for all our community members, and we try to make it simple but informative. Next is online classes. We don't plan on doing regular boring lecture classes. We will try to upload video content on selected topics, in our YouTube channel. And then we'll conduct live interactive session time to time, for students to join and watch live examples or ask doubts. Last but not least, our community interaction system through Telegram and WhatsApp. Our team will be working on daily basis to bring you tips and chart analysis for breakout, so that you can understand and learn from live examples in market and the logic behind them. Also, you can share your setup and get feedback. Before starting with introduction to stock market, let me clear a misconception people have about stock market. People think that since stock market is game of numbers and money, it has to be like gambling. You have to be either good at math or lucky. Let me tell you that is absolutely wrong. From the outside, it might seem little intimidating with all the charts and indicators, but once you learn the market, it will be easy as a pie to understand the charts and indicators which felt like a big deal before. Let's start with introduction to stock market now. There is a basic question or concept that everyone needs to understand. What is stock market? Or why does it exist? What purpose does it serve? If you ask this to a person who doesn't know about stock market, the answers would be like, it's gambling, you can double your money, you can buy company shares. This will be the best answers that you can get from the public. But let me make it simple for you. Stock market is simply a place for companies to raise money by offering their shares to public. This also includes domestic and international investors, both individuals and financial institutions. Now let's take a look at what happens in the stock market in detail. For your better understanding, let me put it this way. Now you can almost buy everything online, but usually there is a designated market for every commodity. The stock market refers to the collection of markets and exchanges, where regular activities of buying, selling, and issuance of shares of publicly held companies take place. A stock market is a designated market for trading various kinds of securities in a controlled, secure and managed environment. Since the stock market brings together hundreds of thousands of market participants who wish to buy and sell shares, it ensures fair pricing practices and transparency in transactions. While earlier stock markets used to issue and deal in paper-based physical share certificates, the modern-day computer-aided stock markets operate electronically. In a nutshell, stock markets provide a secure and regulated environment, where market participants can transact in shares and other eligible financial instruments with confidence with zero to low operational risk. We will discuss about the market regulators, brokers and other intermediaries in later videos. Coming back to stock market, the market is divided into primary and secondary market. Let us take a look at what is the difference between both. In the primary market, stock market allows companies to issue and sell their shares to the common public, for the first time through the process of initial public offerings, IPO. The stock exchange also serves as the trading platform that facilitates regular buying and selling of the listed shares. This constitutes the secondary market. Now that we have learned why stock market exists, what is the purpose of stock market? What happens inside stock market? Let's take a look at two types of participants in stock market, and which category you want to be a part of. First category is investors. An investor buys and holds stocks of a company. A stock is a type of investment that represents an ownership share in a company. When you purchase a company's stock, you're purchasing a small piece of that company, called a share. Investors purchase stocks in companies they think will go up in value. If that happens, their share price increase in market as well. This will give investors good returns. Usually investors hold their shares for long period, say 10 to 20 years or more. In second category comes stock traders. They are people who attempts to profit from the purchase and sale of securities, such as stock shares. Stock traders can be professionals trading on behalf of a financial company or individuals trading on behalf of themselves. The price of a share or security always changes when market is active. The price can either move up or move down. Traders use a set of tools or technical analysis to predict this price movement and take advantage of that move to generate profit. We will discuss investing and technical analysis for traders in depth in later videos. Now that we have learned about basic idea of stock market, it's time to address a major doubt that you all have. Should I invest in stock market? Why should I? First thing you need to know about stock market is, never approach it with a mindset of get rich quick scheme. Now you will be thinking, then why should I invest in stock market? It's simply because of inflation in prices. You will always hear, growing up, that you need to save money. But let me tell you something, with this speed of price inflation, saving money will only let you live comfortably for 5 to 10 years at max after you retire. Your money in your savings account or FD will go down in value by that time. This is something many people don't understand. While small number people who are rich understand this. The rich never save money, they invest and reinvest their money, making them more rich. While a common man saves money which actually decreases in value over time. So let me make this clear, can you get rich by investing in stock market? Answer is yes. How? Simple answer is invest smart, but there are also people who lost everything investing in stock market. That's a risk that comes in. If the company's stock you invested in goes down in business, your stock also decrease in value. So you need to learn to invest smart. Learning is the key to success. You can follow us on our social media outlets, also contact us for any queries. If you enjoyed this video, press that like button, and if you want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.